Meet Jared. He's the head of Salesforce architecture at a large financial services organization. He's got a challenge to solve. Okay, maybe it's more than one challenge. He needs to quickly understand org access, compare permission sets, provide audit-ready reports, and clearly document org structure. oAtlas offers a solution that seems to fit the bill. Let's take a closer look at how oAtlas can help a financial services organization like Jared's solve those challenges. Jared needs visibility into who can do what in which parts of his company's org. With oAtlas, he can quickly understand org access. In addition, he can instantly see every individual permission that's contained in each permission set. With all permissions at their fingertips, Jared's team can quickly respond to inquiries about org access, saving hours worth of work. Jared's team also needs to be able to compare permission sets. With oAtlas, they can instantly identify the similarities and differences between permission sets. This makes it easy to clean up and streamline the org permissions, as well as track down complex "why does this user have access" questions. When it comes to being prepared for an org audit, Jared's team is in luck. They can easily build an audit-ready permissions report just as they would any other report in Salesforce. Every permission is available, so Jared will always be prepared for an org audit. Jared can even export his org's entire permission structure with the click of a button. This saves days or weeks worth of work every quarter as a permission audit report becomes a quick Excel file export. Jared's team also needs to clearly document their org structure. Because oAtlas is a Salesforce native solution, project documentations are stored right in the org. This makes it easy for new admins to quickly understand what was built before and how it's currently being used, as well as collaborate with others on their team. Jared is convinced that oAtlas is the right fit to help his company reach its strategic goals faster. Smart, Jared. Very smart. Check out oAtlas on AppExchange to learn more.